Hey everybody, Sarah here, back with another plan with me. Yeah. And this week we're going to be using one of my kits, the blue watercolor winter, I believe is what I call it on there. So let's get started. We'll have to probably do some whiting out. Let's just see. All right, so we'll just get straight into fast forward mode. Okay, so washi is down. We'll do our full boxes. In terms of the shop, not much crazy going on. Hoping to launch a Valentine's Day kit and a February monthly for the Erin Condren. Hopefully tomorrow, but likely not until Saturday if I'm being really honest with myself, because I'm going to be going out tomorrow night. And then most of tomorrow I'm not actually going to be home. So yeah, we'll likely be in the weekend. But I do have, wow, that's like really far over. But I do kind of have like, it's ready to go. I just need to print and cut it and then photograph it and then prepare the photographs and then list it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy. And if you're wondering why these are way over, it's just because I moved it over with the washi. Just to give a little bit more space, you know? We'll do our full height checklists. Which of course are really easy to just kind of quickly slap on there. It's kind of funny that like these videos often take a long time, or they often look like it's really elaborate, but once you get your zone in terms of what you like your layouts to be, things can be pretty quick as long as you're not crazy particular. Sorry, I shouldn't say crazy. So as long as they're super particular about where like sticker placement and whether it's like perfectly aligned or not, then obviously you take more time. Forgot to mention last week that we've reached 1,000 subscribers on this channel, which is amazing. So welcome to all you new people. I'm assuming you probably just got a horizontal this year. Welcome to Team Horizontal. Or if you're new to planning, then welcome to planning. And we will do a next week on here. All right, and let's see. I think these will be today's. So yeah, I have a ton of graphics kind of ready for new kit launches, so it's just a matter of me getting back fully into the zone. I'm still not quite fully there. This week felt a little slow, but hopefully by next week I'll be back into a good production schedule in terms of getting stuff launched. But yeah, Valentine's will be up. And it's like, it's not like typical, so it's, I'm calling it Foxy Valentine's, but it's like, it's foxes, so it's pretty, it's cute, but it's not like baby cherubs shooting hearts and flowers over, you know what I mean? So, not too bad if you're not super into Valentine's Day, or if you are a newer shopper, then definitely check out the sweet or sassy conversation heart version of Valentine kit that I have from last year. That one, I love it. I love, it's kind of cute pastels, but then there's the one that's like typical conversation hearts with I love you and all that cute stuff. And then there's the sassy one that says like piss off, all that kind of like more rude things that I think is hilarious. So yeah, check that out if you're looking to figure that out. And then I'm gonna put work on here, probably with just a small checklist underneath, so work priorities. Okay, well that's probably good enough for those in terms of half boxes. In terms of half boxes, of course, we've always got Thursday going on, but other than that, I think I'm still pretty open. I did have an event Saturday, but that got canceled. And let's just check the monthly. Productivity Sunday is getting canceled as well, at least in terms of like her being there. So so yeah, I think that's pretty much it for my half boxes. So I think, to be honest, I could probably do a pen and then come back after that. Yeah. That's what we'll do. That's what we'll do. Oh, yeah. Actually, I'm gonna put, I love this blue color, by the way. The way printed, it's just so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. I'm just gonna put this down here and here for what I eat videos. All right. Okay, so I'll do some pen and then we'll do some deco and be done with it. This is gonna be like so fast. I love it. about all the deco. Gotta put some mitts and stuff all over this. Put a little hat over here. Put a little hat on 2018. Oh, you're so cold. It's okay. 2018. I got you a little hat. Actually, it's been pretty warm this week. Had a couple of days that were like plus, in the plus Celsius, which is always a nice little change. I'm gonna put a little bow on the plan with me. So cute. So cute. So cute. And like I said, nothing really special is planned this week. It's just kind of, you know, forgot about my weekend banner. Almost forgot about you. Oh, so cute. So cute. Alright, you're kind of like, let's go up a bit. Yeah. Dope. So much blue. I don't want anything else to be on here except for blueness. Blue pretty stuff. You know? I don't even know where to put this one. It's just so, they're so cute. They're so cute. Okay. I'll put a little bow on a Friday, 'cause it's Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Put our cute little deco down. Gonna be so cute. Nobody will wear a frown. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't know, you guys. Put a little skate here, do the mitts, you know. Ottawa is pretty well known for having the canal, but can't say I've ever gone on the canal. I haven't skated in years. I'm gonna put a scarf on this January. Where's your scarf? Oh, your little January, got your little scarf. And then I just had like 10 people unsubscribe right now. That's okay. That's okay, bye. If you don't like it, then this is not the channel for you. No, it's not, because sometimes I like to sing while I put down stickers. But it's never a song you know. It's just random things made up. Do 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 do. Honestly, I actually just make up songs sometimes. I know it's strange. I know it's odd. All right. I kind of want to keep this blue. Like, I don't want to add other stickers to it. Did I do that last week too? I feel like I did. No, I didn't. No, yeah, I know I kept it mostly to the stickers in the kit. But I like it. I like it like that. I just like it, okay? Alright, okay. Alright, okay. So, I like to sing. And I think that's it. I'm not gonna, like, I could put a couple of things here if I wanted to, but I don't want to. I want to keep it icy and frigid, just like my heart and my soul. I'm just kidding. Okay, anyway, I think that's good enough. This is probably my fastest one yet. We'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to comment below if you have any comments about the layout, questions about how to use stickers in your planner or whatever, or any questions aside from like how I make my stickers. Don't ask shops that. They don't like that. And please be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!